Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful greeting card for Women's Day, where I will show you how to make this beautiful lady along with the background, this beautiful wing filled with lots of quilling designs and flowers. Isn't it looking very attractive? And inside the card you can just write any message. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. First I am taking here 18 by 18 centimeter 250 GSM white color cardstock. I have traced this design on this thick cardstock. I have given the template of this design in the description box. You just need to download it, print it, fussy cut this and trace it on the white cardstock. And left side of the wing you need to draw using pencil, and rest of the drawing you need to trace using pen, because on left side we don't need to add the boundary using pen. Now I will start the coloring work, and for the coloring purpose I am using acrylic colors, because acrylic colors are permanent and when you will do the quilling work on it, it will not get smudged. So I am just quickly filling the skin part, hairs and the wings. For left side wing I am just adding very light shade of the yellow using more water and less color, because we don't want to highlight the background very much, just little light background where we will add the quilling flowers. And then at the end on right side I am adding black color. So coloring is done, allow it to dry completely. So it's completely dried, and now before start with the quilling work, I am just going to outline the complete drawing again using black marker for the finishing look. And then here I am taking black color 3mm strip, add little glue on the edge of the strip, and then start doing outlining of the right side wing. Similarly, I am going to outline the remaining part of the wing. And this is completely done. Now it's time to fill the wing with quilling designs. So for the design, I am taking one strip of dark yellow color and half strip of black color and making one teardrop shape. Like this. Similarly, I have already prepared some more teardrops. Some are made using one strip of dark yellow, some are made using 1/4 strip of dark yellow. So all are the teardrops only, just the sizes are different. Now I'm taking back the wing and filling this using these different sizes of teardrops. There is no rule that you have to fill in exact manner like mine. You just need to fill this complete wing with these shapes and it should look nice to your eyes. So in some parts I am adding small teardrops, in some parts I am adding big teardrops, and similarly I will continue this till the end of this yellow part. So this is completely filled. Now on the black part I am going to add some coils. So for this I am taking 1/4 strip of white color and 1/8 strip of black color and making one tight coil. Similarly, I have prepared some more tight coils. So I'm just filling this gap using these tight coils. And between some teardrops, if you find any gap, you can fill this using black color small tight coils. So this is done. In the same way, I am going to repeat it in the bottom part. First I will fill with yellow color teardrop shape and then I will add white color tight coils on the edge. And after doing the complete wing, it will look like this and it's looking absolutely gorgeous. Now here I am taking picked raspberry distress oxide ink and using my blending brush I am going to add this shade on all four corners of the card. If you don't have distress oxide, you can use distress ink, or you can also do some shading using pink color watercolor shades. So it's all up to you, and if you don't want to add color, you can keep your card as it is. And this is done. Now I'm taking little water on my brush and adding some splashes here and there on all four corners. So this is the time of the distress oxide magic. You just need to tap the water droplets using dry tissue paper and you will have nice white color spots on the ink. It's looking like magical. Now to make card base, I'm taking this white sheet which is 20 by 20 centimeters and taking one more white card sheet which measures 21 by 20 centimeters. So I have just folded on top on 1 centimeters. I have folded this and adding glue and sticking the another part. So if you don't have big size card bases, you can just connect these type of two sheets together to make the card base. So our card base is ready. Now I'm taking this beautiful rose metallic cardstock or copper metallic cardstock which is 19 by 19 centimeter. I have just cut the center part of this because anyways we are going to cover it with our quilling pattern, so no need to add complete copper cardstock on the base. So in this way you can save little paper for another project. This is a small quick tip. So I'm just going to add this frame on the base first. And then I am planning to attach my design diagonally, little tilted this time. So just added little glue and adding my pattern little tilted. It will give very nice retro look to your card. Not the ordinary design, little different. Now I'm starting with the quilling patterns. So for the petal, I am taking here half strip of dark pink color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. My one strip length is 45 centimeters. And to create my first flower, I am just joining total 9 petals together. Like this. I will keep these 4 petals as it is. I will add these separately on my card. Now for the center of the flower, I am taking light pink color tight coil, which is made using 3 mm strip, and I have used here 1 strip. Similarly, I have prepared one more pink flower, one light pink color flower, one small size light pink flower which is made using 7 petals, then some purple color flowers using 5 petals, and this is 3 petal flower. So all are made using teardrop shapes only, and the flowers are ready. Now I am starting with making the leaf. For this I am taking half strip of light green color and 1/4 strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. Very basic design. So I have already prepared some more leaves, and also I have created some scrolls using same colors. If you want to learn how to make scrolls, I have given link in description box, you can check there. So leaves and scrolls are done. Now taking back my card, and I will start filling the left side wing using these quilling patterns. So first in the center part I am adding these 4 teardrops which we had kept earlier, and exactly in the center of the wing I am attaching one black color paper which is cut in pointed teardrop shape, and it will be the center body of the butterfly. And then one by one I will start adding all the flowers and leaves. So here I have decorated the remaining space using these scrolls. I have just kept it in rough manner, and now I am one by one sticking it using glue. So in short, you need to fill each and every gap of the wing design using flowers, leaves, scrolls. If you wish, you can add some fillers, pearls. So it's all up to you, but it should look like in a nice design of the wing. And the proportion of the color should also be balanced. Like this. Then just to fill little more gaps of the yellow color, I am here adding some pearl drops by Nuvo. You can also use drops by Little Birdie, or if you don't have these kind of drop, you can add 3 mm white color half cut pearls. So this is done. Now in all 4 corners I am adding some half cut pearls. First I am adding one in big size, and around this I am adding 2 small size pearls. Then I am adding the sentiment Happy Women's Day, which is handwritten using brush pen in the bottom of the card. And the super duper beautiful card for the Women's Day is ready. It's looking very attractive. I just love the outcome so much. And you can write any special message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I am waiting eagerly for your comments and suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.